Rafael Palma. Oh, kapatid din ni Betsy.
Good morning and welcome to Rafael Palma Elementary School's third Grand Alumni Homecoming, held here in Philippine-Colombian Association, bringing us back in time and reliving our childhood memories. I arrived earlier than I expected. The program proper is scheduled to start at 6 in the evening. The registration table is very busy with my fellow Palmanian all over the lobby area. Here I managed to sneak inside the massive reception for a few minutes and take a few minutes glance on the layout. Wow, the tables were really beautifully arranged and with a 2-lane buffet on the side. Tagalogin ko muna guys, medyo nauubusan na tayo ng English. At ayun na nga sa harap ay may malaking entablado. The organizers must have a very hard time in making this happen. At dito sa lobby area makikita natin na nakatambay muna ang ating mga kapalmanyan at may pa-cornix at mineral water pa. Grabe talaga, I'm impressed. Ikaw na nanonood nito ngayon, may nakilala ka ba na ka-batchmate or classmate mo? Tanungin kita at maki-comment ang sagot sa ibaba. Bakit hindi kayo naka-attend? Hopefully next time mas madami na ang attendees. At ito na nga po mga ka-Vikings Este Palmanian, announcing the arrival of the guest of honor. Naks, I wish! Sino ba naman tayo ni wala nga nakakakilala sa atin dito? That's me with my 2-year-old daughter. Selfie din pag may time ika nga. Naglakad-lakad muna ako sa palibot ng PCA. Wala pa kasi akong nakikita or nakikilala sa mga attendees. Sana meron ako classmate para naman hindi boring sa table.
Yes,
At dito sa main entrance ay hindi sinasadya na aking na-meet ang organizer ng Grand Alumni Reunion na ito na walang iba kundi si Madam Maria Lee. At peron siyang ibinunyag sa akin. Eto guys, pakinggan nyo.
sige po. First time again?
Apo, ma'am, may question ako. Bakit napili nyo itong venue dito?
Isip ko dito, pinakabunga. Isip ko dito, pinakabunga. Isip ko dito, pinakabunga. Ito ko daw. You're supposed to get the CSP, yung hotel doon.
Apo?
That costs 4,500
Per head?
per head. Kasi it's a hotel, it's a five-star hotel. Are you aware of it? So, we got this.
Wala,
kasi
wala ko.
mura.
Ito ang boss.
So, we
opo.
got this because this is the cheapest. This is the cheapest. This is the cheapest. Yan. Otherwise, natin kaya yung ano.
O yan guys, alam nyo na. May mga nakausap kasi ako na nagtatanong. Bakit kaya doon ginanap? At least the organizers tried hard and their best to find this beautiful venue. At ito nga guys, dumukot na tayo ng pambayad sa entrance fee. At may paraffle, ayun, inihulog na ni ma'am. Sorry po, hindi ko nakuha name ni ma'am. Naihulog na ang aking raffle stub. And this is my memorable Grand Alumni Reunion ticket. I am officially an attendee. Let's check our table inside. Hopefully may classmates ako na nandito na. When we entered the beautifully decorated venue, the air was full of excitement and a bit of memories from the familiar faces. And I was ushered here in this table near the buffet area. Dalawang batch daw ang dito sa table na ito. Batch 81 at batch 83. Meron na nauna sa akin and they were batch 83. Si Miss Shane yung isa sa inabutan ko at nauna sa akin. So I walk around, marching back in time, and reliving our memories of our childhood. I haven't seen any familiar faces so far. At sa aking paglibot sa mga tables, aking napuna na mas madami ang mga alumni ng batch 1975 and below. Makikita sa gita ng table ang year ng batch ng mga nakaupo dito.
Ay, sa ngayon na, no? Mananak ko lang yung ice cream na may tinapay. Kami sa Kami sa kantina tayo sa atin.
Hello, for those na wala pa din na kumakuha ng picture, yung souvenir magazine natin is available at 100. I hope you...
Dito meron coffee station where you can have unlimited cups of coffee. Nakadalawang cups nga pala ako, malayo pa kasi uuwian ko mamaya.
Tama lang na
At dito ay humihingi ako ng pahumanhin sa inyo. Hindi ko po alam kung among nangyayari dito. I mean, are they our teachers? Or alumni? Really sorry po, ang inyong humble na videographer was not properly informed po.
Wala sir, baka mo.
Thank you.
I can feel that everyone, from classmates to long-term friends, was ready to reminisce. We shared stories from our school days with Rafael Palma, and the energy was contagious. The buffet is not yet ready at this moment of time, as the program is about to begin. I decided to still walk around as our table is still empty. I had a feeling I might be alone on the table.
Yung na lang 55, 56, 57.
Outside is still bright as day, and the warm breeze of air gently engulfed my body. Tagalogin ko na lang nga, mainit pa din dito sa labas. By the way, guys, I am quite relieved now that familiar faces, actually my classmates, showed up, and it brightened up my day. And so may I introduce my classmate Mrs. Celestina Fadaroga Sugay and batchmate Mr. Joshua Santiago. He is the guest speaker at ang Panauhing Pandangal. He is actually an undersecretary of Manila. I am so proud of my batchmate. And here is the rest of my batchmate batch 1981, Section 1 and Section 2, with Serafin Danque, Fernando Villaflor, and Nena Navarrete.
At happy po ba tayo sa Kapalmanya Kapuso Gatherings. Welcome po sa ating third Grand Alumni Homecoming. Simulan na po natin ang prayer. Let us all stand. Heavenly Father, we come before you today with heart.
Okay, I see a lot of people from 1971. Siyempre, hindi magpapahuli ang ating batch 19.
Si Mrs. Juanita, yun ang bangkana ko.
The program began with sincere and heartfelt speeches, reminding us of our humble beginnings and the long journey we've taken since our days with Rafael Palma. It was a moment to think about how far we've come, from schoolyard games to our diverse lives. Ang mga emosyonal na salita ng ating mga nagsasalita ay nagbalik sa ating lahat sa nakaraan. And so my batchmate, the guest speaker, ang panauhing pandangal, Undersecretary Mr. Joshua Santiago, ay tinawag na nga upang magsalita sa entablado.
Oo, di mo ba alam?
Hindi ko alam.
Ay, hindi. Meron pa siyang ano, oh.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Good evening. Isang karangalan po ang maanyayahan. Bagamat mas I give the honor to Dr. Corazon Santiago. Palakpakan ko natin that man. And it so happen pareho kami Santiago. At pareho kami galing sa Amatista. So, ay sige po. Akala ko anong klase ng invitation na. And I was told that there was supposedly another person who's supposed to be the guest speaker. At pa, sabi, naiisip ko yung mga classic on batch iwan namin ito. Mabuti na lang isa namin, yung aming valedictorian, si Glenda Apolinario, who happens to be based on
This will be the certificate of appreciation, and this certificate is presented to ASEC Joshua Jojo Santiago in recognition of his invaluable contribution as a guest speaker at the 2025 General Alumni Homecoming of the Rafael Palma Elementary School, Vito Cruz Extension, Manila. Your inspiring words and dedication to our city and basic education will leave a lasting impact on our alumni and current students. Thank you for sharing your insights and experiences, fostering a spirit of community and encouraging the next generation to strive for excellence.
Stage area for the photo opportunity and then noting that which side
At sa aking pagbalik sa aking upuan, aking namataan na ang buffet ay unti-unti nang inihahanda. Kaya naman akin itong pinuntaha at inusisa.
Okay, let's start off. Number one, please on stage.
May soup or mainit na sabaw, may maputi at mainit na kanin. Siyempre hindi mawawala yon. Meron din naman 3 or 4 na main dish or putahe, or sa medaling salita ay ulam. At eto guys ha, take note, meron din naming dessert, fresh fruit salad. Happens to be my favorite and everybody's choice. At ayan na nga ibinigay na ang go signal or hudyat ni General, attack the buffet. According to the program proper, per table ang pagpunta at pagkuha ng foods. Pero I am sorry Madam Speaker, nakipila na din ang inyong bida. Guys, really, if you are here, I do not know how to describe it, but personally, my heart is very happy to see my fellow Palmanian even though I do not personally know them. The fact that we came from one school is enough to make this gathering emotional and heartfelt happiness, I think, from each one present here. Thank you sa lahat ng organizers.
Next up for the photo opportunity, table number 7. Please get ready for your photo opportunity.
When I look around this room, I see not only my classmates but also my family. Family that has grown, changed, and taken different paths in life, but still have the same roots. We may have traveled on different paths, but today, we all returned home. Since those childhood days, we have seen how far we have come. Ang mga pagsubok na aming pinagdaanan, ang mga tagumpay na aming naabot, at ang wisdom na aming natutunan. But at the heart of it all, the lessons we learned here, the ones that cannot be found in textbooks, are the ones that are still guiding us. However, the privilege of having some of our cherished teachers with us was the true highlight. Looking at seeing their familiar faces brought back memories of our time in the classroom. Those times that gave us inspiration, encouragement, and discipline, and made us who we are today. To reconnect with the mentors who believed in us long before we could believe in ourselves was truly a privilege. Bilang resulta ng kanilang presensya, naalala namin ang aming mga inaasahang prinsipyo, pagsisikap, kabaitan, at ang kahalagahan ng komunidad. And at that moment, it seemed like no time had passed. We were all just students again, sitting in those familiar desks, learning lessons for life rather than just from books. Here we are, our complete attendees of our batch 1981. Bon appetit, guys. There is also some entertainment, guest performer, lively performances, and of course, the much anticipated raffle prizes. At ano pa nga ba? Kami ay nagsikap na makuhanan ang bawat sandali. Group photos, batch photos, wacky shots, you name it. These images are now treasures that will last a lifetime. We left with full hearts and big smiles as the night came to a close. It was more than just a gathering. It was a celebration of friendship, gratitude, and pride in belonging to the Rafael Palma Elementary School family. My heart is full now that this amazing day is over, and I'm sure I speak for all of us when I say that this reunion has been nothing short of magical. It's not every day that we have the chance to relive our memories, reconnect with old friends, and celebrate the connections that made us who we are. It wasn't just a reunion of alumni. It was about remembering what made us who we are today, the laughter that echoed through Rafael Palma's hallways, and the little moments that made those years special. I know it's hard to say goodbye, but let's not take this as a conclusion. Let us keep the spirit of this gathering in our hearts and in our daily lives. Let us remember how important it is to stay connected, reach out, and lift each other up, just like we did when we were kids. Let us promise that our gathering today will not be the last. Ang mga alaala ni Rafael Palma ay mananatili sa ating mga puso at ang mga friendship na ating nabuhay muli. Mayroon tayong kakayahang patuloy na tumulong sa isa't isa, pasalamatan ng isa't isa, at hindi kailanman kalimutan ang lugar na sa huli ay magiging aming tunay na tahanan. And so until we meet again at the next big gathering, Rafael Palma Elementary School ay palaging magiging tahanan